Assalamu alaikum. In today's class, we will check the output of a program written in C language. So let's write this program. White main is already written. Now just write printf and then put this statement inside the printf. Now two brackets, open brackets with basically three brackets, and write 5 is greater than 3. Now after it, and operator is used, and now write 4 is less than, or sorry, 4 is greater than 6. After it, two brackets will be closed, and we will now use the OR operator. Now let's use the OR operator, and after it use statement 7 is greater than 3. Now you can see that we have three brackets here, but here it is 2, so put 1 here. Now it is equalized. So as you see, we have checked the and OR operations here. Now let's check the result of this program, build it, and now execute this. So the result is 1. Result of this program is 1. As you can see, how this one came, basically it means, yeah, that it is true. So 1 means true and 0 means false. Because 5 is greater than 3, it is true, it is 1 basically, and 1 and 4 is less than 6, it means it is also true. Now the result of this condition is 1, and 1 will be ORed with 7 is greater than 3. It means 7 is greater than 3, it is also 1, true. So 1 or 1, the result is 1. Hopefully you understand today's lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.